In this video I want to show you how to get to the passenger side seat sensor on your Jetta. Okay, it's located right over here. If we take a look under the seat, this is the module itself, and it's only held using one screw, and this screw is located right where my finger is pointing right now. There is multiple ways on how to remove it. The first way, and I think the one that is the one that requires the most effort, is to remove the bolts of the seat, the 4 of them, okay, in the back as well. These are triple square, I think 10 millimeters bolts, but since we only need to remove a screw, it's actually possible to remove it without having to completely remove the seat. You'll need one of these Torx T15 bits, and since it's very tight, you'll need a right angle adapter. It's a bit hard to do it at the same time holding the camera, but you get the idea. Alright, I have removed the screw, as you see here, Torx T15. And then all you have to do is to slide it out, and you're gonna have some connectors. On this one, on the right side, you need to press on the top to release the latch. Okay, and on this other one, the latch is on the side right over here. Press, and pull, and here we go. The module is out. If you want to replace it, well, go to your dealership, on eBay, on other places they sell these, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.